Now cutting across to our special segment, Good, Bad, Ugly, a COVID-19 special. Let's take a listen.
Here is the good news of the day when it comes to the pandemic and the global fight against COVID-19. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the US has now said after a study that both Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are showing effectiveness of over 90% after 2 doses of the vaccine were given. Remember, Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine and Moderna vaccine are both based on the mRNA platform. After the first shot was given, it has shown some amount of efficacy up to 80%, which means that it has the capability of protecting people against the infection after the first dose alone. After 2 doses, that goes up to over 90%. It's also helping in preventing asymptomatic infections, is what the CDC has concluded in its report. Here is the bad news of the day when it comes to COVID-19 and the pandemic. The story is from Mumbai, where private hospitals are now complaining that hospital beds are running out. Patients with no symptoms of COVID-19 but suffering from COVID-19, even asymptomatic patients, are calling up private hospitals and wanting beds. Mumbai is seeing round about 6,000 to 8,000 cases on a daily basis, of which 10 to 15% patients are wanting to get into a hospital, and this is what is leading to a shortage. There is a problem, and the BMC is trying to address this by framing new guidelines saying that asymptomatic patients cannot be spending time in a hospital because they do not require hospital care.
Well, in the ugly side to the COVID-19 pandemic, with the surge in cases now, many clusters are emerging from across the country. 40 jail inmates in Patiala have tested positive. All these 40 jail inmates are females. In another case, in IIM Ahmedabad, which is the Indian Institute of Management, 70 students and staff members have tested positive for coronavirus. IIM Ahmedabad has emerged as a cluster, as well as another incident coming from Rishikesh, where the Taj Hotel premises had to be shut down because 76 staff members have tested positive. The tourists who visited the hotel are being contact traced, and those who are found to have been direct contacts are being asked to quarantine. This despite the fact that state governments have imposed strict travel restrictions and guidelines to follow social distancing norms while traveling across the states. It's important to have a COVID negative report if you travel to several states, yet clusters have now begun emerging from various parts of the country.
On that note, I'm going to wrap this bulletin. For the news and updates, do log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download our app for more. Stay tuned. News and updates coming up on the other side.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.